Handwork Studio friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day today and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and my favorite thing about January is all the snow. But the only problem is it's too cold to go outside, right? So today we will be making our own snowmans out of socks. You can make this with just a few materials. 2 socks, 1 white, 1 colorful, some scissors, some rice, puff balls, buttons, rubber bands, pipe cleaners, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. To get started, we're first going to take our sock and we're going to fill it up with some rice. You can put as much rice as you would like. Next, after we get our rice into our sock, we're going to go ahead and take our 2 rubber bands and tie 1 off on the top, and then we're going to separate our bottom and our top half of our snowman. And you can adjust this rubber band to make your halves as big or as small as you would like. So once we have this, we're going to go ahead and put this snowman to the side and get our other sock out. We're going to go ahead and cut the top half of our sock and a little bit of the middle. Once you have your 2 pieces cut out, we're going to go ahead and bring our snowman back and cover him up. So here is his little hat on top and his clothes, because it is too cold to be out there without clothes on, right? And now that our snowman is all bundled up, it is time to decorate his face. You're going to go ahead and get your puff balls, the buttons, your pipe cleaners, your scissors, and your hot glue gun for this project. We're going to first take our pipe cleaner and cut a little nose for our snowman. We're going to put it right there in the center of its face. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my puff balls and put a little hot glue in the middle and put on top of its hat. And last, we're going to go ahead and take those cute little buttons and put it on for the eyes. Okay. 1 and 2. And there you have it, our little sock snowman. Ooh, this little guy looks so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put him right by my fireplace. I cannot wait to see how your snowman turns out too. Happy crafting!